Today I'm going to be doing a full sizing, unboxing, and first impressions of the Oura Ring. I ordered the Oura Ring in Heritage Black. Here's the sizing kit that Oura Ring sent me within 5 days of ordering. The ring sizing kit came in 8 sizes, ranging from size 6 to size 13. Even if you know your ring size, I would recommend ordering the sizing kit. The Oura Ring has 3 little knobs on the inner ring to measure your vitals, so it's a little bit different from your traditional ring sizing. Now, I would recommend wearing the ring for at least 24 hours. In fact, I would recommend at least 2 to 3 days to really get a sense of the fit and feel. A couple of things you should pay attention to. Make sure to wash your hands with soap to see if the ring will slip out, so just give it a try. Number 2, make sure you wear your ring overnight. Your fingers usually swell up a little bit while you sleep, so it's important that you pick a ring size that feels comfortable when you wake up. And number 3, try the ring on different fingers just to understand whether that affects any of your day-to-day activities. I ultimately chose to wear it on my non-dominant hand and on the index finger, as it felt the most natural to me. However, this will really depend on you. Now that I was comfortable with the ring sizing, I logged into Oura Ring to choose my final sizing. It took about 7 days for Oura to ship the ring from when I finalized my sizing to when it arrived at the door. Now here we have the package that contains the Oura Ring. So it comes in a brown box, and it's actually well protected. So the whole package has a pretty polished feel to it, so almost like opening up an Apple product. So here's the box. So the ring sits on top of the ring charger and actually pops off quite easily. And the ring material itself is quite different from the sizing kit's ring, so it definitely felt a little bit more slippery compared to the sizing kit ring. Here are a couple of shots of the ring on the finger. So let's take a look now at the rest of the hardware. There's a charging stand that comes with the Oura Ring. Beneath the charging stand, there's a charging cable. It's a standard size cable to plug into a standard USB-A slot. And finally, there's very simple instructions at the bottom, along with additional documentation. And here's a final look at the ring itself. here's another look on the finger to show you the height and get a better sense of the profile of the Oura Ring. I'll be putting together more videos of sleep optimization and also a comprehensive review of the Oura Ring after wearing it for about 10 months. So if you're interested, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.